How to use Google Tasks for to-do lists. Feeling overwhelmed by sticky notes and forgotten tasks? Google Tasks is here to save the day. Google Tasks is a free and user-friendly app available across all your devices. It helps you capture, organize, and track your tasks. So, open Google Tasks by accessing through the web at tasks.google.com, or find the app on your phone or tablet. A simple interface awaits. Enter your task description in the designated field and hit enter to add it to your list. Feeling overwhelmed by a single list? You can create separate lists for work, personal errands, or even hobbies. Simply click on the new list button and give it a relevant name. Easily prioritize your tasks, so use the drag and drop function to rearrange tasks within a list or even move them between different lists. Don't miss a deadline. Assign due dates to your tasks to stay on top of your schedule. Click on the tasks and choose a specific date or time from a pop-up window. Break down larger tasks into smaller manageable subtasks for complex projects by clicking on the three dots next to a task and choosing Add Subtask, and create a checklist within the main task. When you're feeling accomplished, you can mark any task as done. With Google Tasks, you have the power to manage your workload effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.